Hello and welcome to my channel. I was on the market today and got a chat to this French guy who was checking out my rings, and he says, have I got any French ones? I said, well, not on the table. I need to look in my shop, my web shop, and you see one of these. It's a 20 centimes. And he says, well, could I make him one? He says, I'm here tomorrow. So I said, well, when I get home, I'll make it for you. And I'll film it and I'll stick it on YouTube. So here we are. So first of all, I'm going to bang a hole in it. And it's a small coin. So I'm going to use a 3/8 punch. How's everybody doing? Got it hot on the market today, but a waste of time. No one's got any money to spare. You know, it's crazy. She go crazy. And my towel fell down. What's better? Okay. Let's go over to Big Bertha and see what we can do with her. This is a 20-ton hydraulic press. There you go. Let's give it some metal. That went through nicely. I'd like to thank my latest subscribers. I've got 84 now. So if you've recently done it, press that little button. Thank you so much. Right. Let's get that off. Hey. Okay. There you go. Now I just want to clean up that edge, inside edge, that I've punched through. So if you're new to the channel and you like what you see, there's a little button about there, a little red button. Press that and you're automatically subscribed. And you get notified every time I upload a video. I try to do one every night. I couldn't do one last night. I was absolutely shagged out. I've got my yearly car inspection tomorrow. I'm dreading it. They always find something, don't they? Oh, you need a bit of welding. Cheers, fella. Right, now I get out the fire starter and give this coin a bit of love. This just anneals the coin so you can work it a bit easier. If you want to check out my shop, it's yourfingermyring.com. Oh, yeah, it's of course, when you're not busy, time drags, you know. Right, that's dried off. There's my little, this is a 17-degree folding die. And we'll go for, yeah, go for this side face down. What's the date? I've just got to do the dinner. God. My girlfriend's just sitting on the sofa with the cats. Right, let's go to Big Red. This is a 1-ton arbor press. And this is called folding the coin. I think I can go a bit more on that one. There you go. That's a good one. That is fully folded. So now we want to clean up this edge. Make sure there's no splits in it or cracks. I did get some new sandpaper yesterday, but I'll use one of my girlfriend's Navajas. It's very fine. They're quite good, they are. Focus. Okay, that's good. Let's go over to Spike, my little ring stretcher. Okay. This stretches your rings. I'll put a bit of kitchen towel over in between the stretcher and the coin. Otherwise, you can lose the detail on the inside of the ring. I mean, there's not much detail on this one in the inside, but what there is, it's nice to have it, isn't it, you know? What are we getting? We're getting there. Give it a bit more burny. Give it some more love. So if you would like me to make you a ring, I've got loads of UK coins, shillings, 2 shillings, half crowns, sixpences. I've got loads of Finnish coins, 1 marker, 5 marker. I've got a few US quarters. I'm just drying it off. Right, let's go back to Spike and give it a bit more. What size have we got? He's got small fingers, this guy. EU 60. He said 61. So I want to go a bit more. About 62 maybe, because then we reduce it. Okay, what we got? We've now got, I'll go a bit more. Because you have to go over the size, because you're going to reduce it to straighten the walls up. Okay, that's a 60, that's a 63, just over. That's good. Now we can go down to the bottom half of Spike. I think I'll give this a bit more love with burning. Then we want to reduce it. Reducing it straightens up the walls. Okay, that's a good one. Yeah, so if you like what you see, please hit the like button. And maybe share it, you know, it'd be cool. Right, what we got here? Nope. Nope. That's a nope. Let's try this one. What we got? Yeah, that's good. Okay. And now you don't go crazy with this. What we got? We're trying to straighten them walls up. Oh. Hey, was that luck? Yeah, that's pretty damn good. What size we got? EU size. He's a 61. That is a 60. But now I have to cut out the lip where I folded it. Where you fold it, this lip from the reeded part of the coin. Well, this is milled, but it's the same thing. You've got to cut it out, otherwise it's uncomfortable to wear. So that should knock it down So 61 or thereabouts. You can also send me your own coins. This guy from the States yesterday, he gave me a mail saying he wanted a 1976 $half. And funny enough, I just made one a couple of days ago. I didn't make a video last night. And it was the right year. So I said, well, if you get his ring size, I can adjust this one. And he said, yeah, happy days. So he's trying to get his mate's ring size without him knowing. How he's going to do that, I don't know. But all the rings in my shop, I can adjust the size up or down. No big deal. And if you want them super shiny on the outside, I can do that. I like the satin finish. But if you want it super shiny, 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 I can do it for you. The customer is always right. That's my motto when I'm working on the market. This woman today, this American woman, she was looking at my coin rings for about, I don't know, 30 seconds, a minute. I'm not bullshitting you. She was looking at them. And she looked at me and she says, where's your coin rings? I said, you serious? She says, yeah. I said, we've been looking at them for like a couple of minutes. She said, they're not coin rings. I said, yes they are. She picked them up and she just laughed. I think she was expecting like a coin stuck on something, you know. She didn't buy one though. But we had a laugh about it. That's all we did today was laugh. Everybody, my friends didn't make a great deal of cash. Crazy day. Right, what size we got now? UK, US. Right. There you go, 61. Let's clean up that edge with a bit of Quad Zero steel wool. This doesn't scratch, it just cleans things up a bit. So have you got any coins in the drawer, you know, with some sentimental value or someone's birthday? Pop it in the post, I'll make you a ring. Right, let's give it a bit of polish. Oh, lovely. Everywhere. All over the monitor. Okay. Right, there's my cloth. I did buy some more cloths yesterday, but they're in the car. Good place for them, isn't it? One day I'll learn. And I bought some more Kate Bushes as well yesterday. And guess what they are? Yep, they're in the car. So I'd have to use a bit of a bald Kate Bush, but she still works. Right. So Jean-Paul, you go back to France, mate, you watch this. I enjoyed making it for you. Size 61 on the ball. I'll see you tomorrow, man. Okay, ladies and gents, there you go. One French 20 centime coin ring. Pretty, eh? There you go, this is the date. 1989. So there you go, Jean. Inside is nice and clean. And don't take this the wrong way, but it's what I do. It's just my little trademark. Thanks a million, Jean. And thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't. And I'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.